My name is Henny V Baby on Instagram, Hencha Voigt on TikTok.
So, any pain anywhere?
When I did a hip thrust, the pain kind of came back.
You alright? How you feeling?
Amazing. Like I did yoga. It's true. Oh my God.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
So I'm here at Miami Spine to get adjusted by Dr. Thompson because I'm kind of rigid. So I'm like, yeah, stay tuned.
All right, so right now you're in our wobble chair. I want you to hold on to the side. Keep your feet on the ground, and I want you to go side to side. There you go.
That feels so good.
Not your whole body, just your hips.
Okay.
There you go. Good job. All right, we're getting there. All right. So, any pain anywhere?
Not right now. But usually my lower back. Today, I can't lie. When I did a hip thrust, the pain kind of came back. I have ruptured discs from working out and from car accidents. My lower two discs, I think, are herniated.
And you been to a chiropractor before?
Yeah.
Where'd you go to? Doesn't matter. Don't worry
in
about
LA,
it.
but
LA.
I also got therapy at sports rehab.
Shame.
Why?
Why you come here?
Because I lived in California.
Oh, okay.
I just moved back here.
It's the only acceptable excuse, guys, living in California.
Yeah.
Anything else, you're too far. You're too close.
You're too close.
Okay,
I gave my mom those glasses for Christmas.
Oh yeah? That's what's up. So 1 out of 10, how would you say your pain is? When it's at its worst and when it's at its best?
No, right now I'm good. Right now I'm probably like at a 3.
Okay, so it's not that bad.
But today I kind of felt like a 6.
Like a 6?
But it went back to 3 after.
Okay, cool. After the exercise?
Yeah, but every like a period of the year, it'll go to like a 9, 10.
Okay, so does exercise make it worse or better?
Lifting heavy makes it worse.
But lifting, what about like Pilates and stuff? You do stuff
Pilates,
like that?
amazing. It helps me a lot. Yoga helps me a lot. But deadlifting messes me up.
Okay, deadlifting messes you up. How often do you deadlift?
I've slowed down. I probably do it like once every 2 weeks now.
Okay.
But if I do, I don't do it with high reps. I just do it with low weights and low reps.
Okay. I mean, you don't have to do deadlifts though.
I know, but I just like them.
You like it? Yeah, that's the thing. It's a dangerous game though. All right, so we're gonna have you come over here to our vibration machine.
Deadlifting is amazing.
Step on up. This is gonna help balance your hips. Do you have any headaches or anything like that? Any other medical issues we need to know about?
No.
Okay. And tell them who you are and how they can find you.
My name is Hencha Voigt, Henny for short, V. On Instagram, Henny V Baby. And on TikTok, Hencha Voigt. And on Snapchat, Henny V Baby.
All right. You drink a lot of Henny still? Or you just put that in the name? That just fits?
I like tequila.
You like tequila?
I used to like Henny though. Henny messes with your mind.
Henny was a thing back in the day.
It alters your personality. Tequila keeps you fit.
Tequila keeps you fit? That's crazy, man. Alcohol is bad as a whole, man.
Yeah, but tequila is the healthiest option. Less calories.
Okay.
I promise.
So look, see this right here? This is a back extension.
It feels so good.
So
for me, this works on, of course, your back, but muscle recovery. I just lifted, so this is perfect.
Did you lift heavy or light?
Heavy.
Heavy?
And this is good for your metabolism and melting fat, you know?
So what do you do?
I do a lot. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a fitness influencer. I'm a content creator. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been on TV a couple times. I'm gonna go back again.
It tells the camera.
I have a skincare line. I have a fitness wear line. I'm working on a men's line.
Okay.
I just do a lot. I'm trying to hit a billy before I die.
That's what's up. All right. So what's the name of the skincare line? What's the name of the fitness lines?
Hencha Beauty Skincare, and my fitness wear line is Freaka Fit.
Freaka.
Yeah, Freaka fit. But I like Africa, not a freak.
Hey, man, listen.
Freaka.
Oh, Africa.
Yeah, Africa.
Not a freak.
No, not a freak.
That's, you know that's what
People be like, Freaka fit?
Yeah.
That would make more sense though, Freaka fit. That's cute. Because the outfits are pretty sexy. So it's like Freaka fit. Makes sense. It's cute. That's a brand. I build brands over here.
Okay, all right, I hear you.
Yeah.
All right. You got a YouTube?
Yeah, but my daughter takes over it. Yeah.
Oh, she's on it, or she
just goes on it and posts her content.
She got a following already?
Yeah. My daughter has a following, yeah.
You might as well make your own YouTube then.
It was mine, but every time I log onto it, I see her on it. So I'm like, you know what? YouTube, whatever. But I have to build my YouTube. That's the new wave for a while. For the past 10 years, I didn't tap into it.
Yeah, I was fighting it, but I met my boy, another chiropractor in DC, Dr. Clerge, and he helped me out.
Yeah.
It was like, it's a whole other universe.
Yeah, it is. But once you tap in, it's good.
How you feel?
Amazing. Feel good.
And you've had this before, right?
Yeah, but I was pregnant.
No.
So it was a different feeling.
Cool. So it's just gonna exercise the disc in your spine. You want me to turn it up or leave it there?
Yeah, you can.
All right.
I can take it. Yes.
To the top.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how's that feel?
Amazing.
Yeah? Perfect. All right, guys, we have Hencha. What do you want me to call you?
Hencha.
Hencha's cool?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, guys, we have Hencha. So she's, man, you stretch it off?
I didn't stretch today. I haven't
stretch?
stretched in a while.
Okay, cool. You haven't stretched in a while?
Yeah.
We're gonna do some soft tissue work first.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have you lean forward and look at your knee. No, just with your head. Look down. Come back up. Look down. Come back up. Look down some more. At the knee. There we go. And come back up. Good.
Why am I stiff?
Yeah, look, a little bit. Look down at the knee. To the left. Down. Look down some more. There we go. Come back up. Look down. Come back up. And look down again. Come back up. When was the last time you got adjusted?
Probably like 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Just relax. Good. Good. Tell you lay on your back. Lie down. And lay back. Not all the way.
Oh.
Back a little more. There you go. I didn't realize that was your noise. Right? You good? You good?
Yeah.
No bombs in there.
No. Oh.
Lie down for me. There we go.
Oh. Damn.
Right this way.
If I was in Haiti, I would be like, I need that. And like, the air conditioning is not cold enough.
Like you so. Slide out.
I think we got that.
How we doing?
Good. This is the part I'm scared of.
What you scared of?
The neck one.
Yeah? My favorite part, man. You get any headaches?
Sometimes. Oh, God. You can kill somebody, right? I'm just asking. If you know how to do that, you can decapitate somebody.
It take a lot. Just relax. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let me have you lay on your side, face me. Hug yourself. Bend. Straight. Relax, I got you. Other side.
Okay, I'm trapped.
Let me have you bring this hip right here.
This one is like stuck.
Let's have you on your stomach.
Did it crack or something already? Jeez. The chair got the best of me.
Slide down for me.
Jeez.
Alright. Let me have you lift this right leg up as high as you can. Down. Left leg. Down. One more time, right leg. Down. Down, left leg.
It's a workout.
Down. Yeah. Let's have you stand on up. How you feeling?
Amazing. Like I did yoga. It's true. Oh my God. Like, amazing.
Yeah, what's that part?
Henny V Baby on Instagram, Hencha Voigt on TikTok, Henny V Baby on Snapchat, and Hencha Voigt or Henny V on YouTube, yeah. And Facebook, Hencha Voigt.